Hello everyone, welcome to this series on the history of English language. And in this video, we are going to discuss Anglo-Saxon civilization. Introduction. The Anglo-Saxon civilization, which flourished from the 5th to the 11th century, was marked by a blend of conflict, settlement, and cultural development. This era saw the migration of Germanic tribes such as the Angles, Saxons, and Jutes to the British Isles, leading to the formation of a new cultural and societal framework. The interactions between the incoming Anglo-Saxons and the native Celtic population varied greatly, with some areas experiencing peaceful coexistence and others marked by fierce resistance. Interaction between Anglo-Saxons and Celts. The relationship between the Anglo-Saxon newcomers and the indigenous Celtic population was complex and differed across regions. In some areas, particularly where the Celtic population was sparse, the Anglo-Saxons settled peacefully alongside the Celts. However, in regions like West Saxon territory, the invaders encountered staunch resistance, leading to prolonged conflicts before they could establish their dominance. Many Celts were driven to the western regions of Wales and Cornwall, while others fled across the Channel to Brittany. The influx of Anglo-Saxons resulted in the decline of the Roman-influenced civilization that had previously flourished in Britain. Roman towns were often abandoned or destroyed as the new settlers, who were primarily hunters and agriculturalists, preferred rural life over urban existence. Social structure and governance. Anglo-Saxon society was organized around families and clans, with the clear division between eorls, hereditary aristocracy, and ceorls, simple freemen. The social and legal matters of the community were managed through local assemblies known as moots, where decisions were made and justice was administered. Justice was often determined by the Wergild, a system of fines that varied according to the severity of the crime and the social status of the victim. Guilt was established through methods such as ordeal or compurgation, that is, oath-taking. Over time, various tribes united to form small kingdoms, either for mutual defense or under the influence of powerful leaders. This led to the formation of the Anglo-Saxon Heptarchy, consisting of 7 recognized kingdoms: Northumbria, Mercia, East Anglia, Kent, Essex, Sussex, and Wessex. However, the grouping of these kingdoms was not permanent, as they were frequently united under a single ruler or divided among several kings. Rise of the Anglo-Saxon kingdoms. The early 7th century saw Northumbria rise to political supremacy, not only exerting control over other kingdoms but also becoming a center of literature and learning. This cultural and political leadership later shifted to Mercia in the 8th century. By the 9th century, Wessex, under the leadership of Egbert (802 to 839), began to assert its dominance. By 830, Egbert had extended his influence over all of England, including Wales, though his unification was more in name than in practice. The kings of Wessex, especially under Alfred the Great (871 to 889), managed to maintain their claim to be kings of all the English, ushering in a period of prosperity and intellectual growth for Wessex. Conclusion. The Anglo-Saxon period was a time of significant transformation in England. Despite the conflicts and upheavals, it laid the foundation for the development of English culture, governance, and social structures. The era saw the rise of powerful kingdoms and blending of cultures, and the establishment of systems of law and order that would influence English society for centuries to come. The achievements of leaders like Alfred the Great highlight the resilience and adaptability of the Anglo-Saxon civilization, leaving a lasting impact on the history of England. So this was the discussion on Anglo-Saxon civilization. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.